As Seth was saying, there's absolutely no synchronicity in our group. So, as a theoretical physicist and spiritual guide, I consider myself a healer and conscious collaborator. So, Seth and I are definitely going to be working together in the near future.
Yes.
But yeah, so I'm proposing my book is released. It's done. It's out there as an ebook right now. Unity Theory. It's the first theory of energetics to solve gravity, dark matter, and dark energy, and it brings the philosophy of unity to mainstream society by easily explaining the science of spirituality.
Cool.
So what I really need right now is, first and foremost, a book printing company that wants to work with me. This is an interesting transition right now. I was going to have all these copies made up, and when I first got the quote, it was about $3 to $5 per book. Now it's up to like $20 to $30 per book. And so that's a pretty substantial increase. Apparently there's a paper shortage. So I'm thinking to look into sustainable resources such as hemp. So if anybody knows any hemp paper production.
There's a paper making class like this weekend or in the next few days here in Sedona.
Interesting.
Yesterday.
But yeah, so
Maybe they know someone, or maybe they want to pay for your publishing, right?
Yeah, anything. And so, and then I need for the second edition of the book, or version 1.1, I need a sketch artist or digital illustrator, specifically looking for someone that has very clean line work and that can create, sort of analogies in simple sketch form, like things involving balloons and bowling balls and astronauts floating through space and stuff like that, but a very simple, streamlined type of art. And then I'm also looking for content creators, podcasters, and talk show hosts, aka Seth, and so that I can start getting this book out there, talking about the concepts in it, the theories. Since the book is done, I can finally openly speak about it and not be all hush-hush about how they all work. And then in the Sedona area, and even outside of the Sedona area, looking for event spaces, any sort of event coordinators, any sort of public speaking opportunities to talk more about consciousness being the ultimate technology, and how spirituality is extremely simple, and it's not this complicated, convoluted system that we have been born into. It's very simple. Love is love, and that's what we are. So, and then on another side note, is any scientists interested in collaborating with me? My theories are going to be able to bring us to that next level in which we can transcend experimenting and studying the physical and go into the non-physical, the metaphysical. And as Tesla said, the day that science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it'll make more progress in 1 decade than it has made in all of the centuries of its existence. So,
By the way, you should know that my doctorate is the physics of ascension.
beautiful. I guess we're going to be working with each other, brother. But yeah, that's Unity Theory in a nutshell. So.